But our feathered grandpa changed when this guy came in. The police rescued Coco after he was mistreated. My friend took him in, but at this point, Coco did not trust people. We visited him for years, and Coco was not interested in me.
Coco.
Then the day came when my friend couldn't look after Coco anymore. He didn't like me, but I was already in love with this bird. It took a very long time, but with attention and treats, we won him over. Now that he was comfortable, we noticed he couldn't see very well. The vet told us he had a problem with his eye and it had to be removed. Because Coco is so old, we were terrified that he wouldn't survive anesthesia. But he had headaches all the time, so we couldn't wait any longer. After a few weeks, we noticed a completely different bird. Before he spent all day sleeping, and we thought, oh, he's a total grandpa. Turns out we were wrong. Although I think Coco is happiest when Chico is around, Chico is way younger. He's only 21 and he makes Coco feel just the same. And he has to be wherever Chico is. It's so heartwarming because birds need friends. It's super important for them. When Coco came to us, we were told he only had a year left, but it's been over 7 years. He is the boss of the house, and we're proud of his strength to keep going.